Posterior Tibial Artery. 10 questions and answers. Is the posterior tibial artery one of the terminal branches of the popliteal artery? Yes, the posterior tibial artery is one of the terminal branches of the popliteal artery. Is the posterior tibial artery the larger of the popliteal terminal branches? Yes, the posterior tibial artery is the larger of the popliteal terminal branches. Which muscle compartment of the leg does the posterior tibial artery supply? The posterior tibial artery supplies muscles of the posterior compartment of the leg. Does the posterior tibial artery give off a fibular branch? Yes, the posterior tibial artery gives off a fibular branch. Does the posterior tibial artery descend deep to the soleus? Yes, the posterior tibial artery descends deep to the soleus. Does the posterior tibial artery pass the inferior to the medial malleolus? Yes, the posterior tibial artery passes the inferior to the medial malleolus. What does the posterior tibial artery supply after passing the inferior medial malleolus? The posterior tibial artery supplies the foot after passing the inferior medial malleolus. Is the posterior tibial artery the main blood supply in the foot? Yes, the posterior tibial artery is the main blood supply of the foot. Does the posterior tibial artery give off an artery to the tibia? Yes, the posterior tibial artery gives off an artery to the tibia. What is the name of the artery from the posterior tibial artery to the tibia? The name of the artery given off the posterior tibial artery to the tibia is called a nutrient artery.